Today I will show you how to create this pop-up effect in Canva. Let's start. Go to videos, select this resolution, then go to elements and search here for circle. Add this circle, increase the size of circle, adjust into the middle of the page, then go to colors and change the color as you want. Then go to animate and this animate effect, decrease the speed of this animation. Then go to again in elements and search here for circle hole. Select this one and resize the size of this shape. Then adjust it into the middle of the page. Go to colors, choose the white color. Then go to uploads and upload your photo. Remove the background of this photo. Rotate this image little bit like this. Increase the size of this photo. Adjust into the middle of the page. Then go to animate and search here for baseline. Animate both sides, then decrease the speed of animation, also reverse the exit of animation, also adjust the speed timing of the animation. Go to layers and select circle, then adjust the timing of this circle. Then select the shape and duplicate it. Here go to crop and crop from top to bottom like this. Here is the final result. I hope you like this tutorial. Please subscribe for learn more about Canva. Thanks for watching.